want to sell smart home devices on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So first, to get started, I'm going to explain the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. As you can see in here, you have a lot of products to buy from. So if you want to be one of these sellers and sell your products in here, you just have to go to your top right, click on the shop manager button. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. So in order to do that, you will need to go through 6 steps. That starts with the shop preferences, then comes naming your shop, then you will have to stock your shop, choose how you'll get paid, set up your paying settings, then your shop security, and that's it. So let's start from the first step, which is choosing the shop preferences. So here you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So I'm just going to change the currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, where you will choose a name for your shop. So here, make sure to choose a good name for your shop. So for me, I'm going to choose Smart Home Devices, which is the name of my products. Then it seems like the name is already taken. So you have two options if you want to choose from these suggested names, or if you want just to make the name unique, like adding a number. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, and it's where you will add some photos and details about your item. You fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So before filling out the photos and details of the item, let's first click on save and continue in order to see the required fields to fill. So here we have 4 fields or 4 required fields to fill. So that starts with the photos, as you can see in here. Please upload at least 1 photo. Then you have the inventory. So here you will need to choose a price for your product. Then you have the listing details. Make sure to choose a good title for the product and fill all of these fields. Then you have the shipping, where else you will need to fill all of these red fields. So let's start from the first step, which is photos. So here, add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. So bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 or 1480 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. And guys, the videos are not like the photos. The video is not required or it's not necessary, but it's just better to have one. So as you can see in here, they found that listings with video get twice. Just make sure to keep twice in your mind. It's double as many orders as listing with just photos. So you know what that means, guys? Videos will help you sell your product twice more than just photos. So with that being said, let's move on to the next section, which is the listing details. So it's the step where you tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So we start with the title. I'm just going to give it like my shop's name, Smart Home Devices. Then you answer these 3 questions. So we start with who made it. You have 3 options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. Let's go with I did. And you have what is it, a finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with the finished product. Then when did you make it? You have 3 categories to choose from: not yet made, recently, or vintage. So I'm going to choose recently, and specifically between 2020 and 2023. Then for the category, just type any keyword you'd like, and you have a lot of suggestions to choose from, like docking station, digital prints. So I'm going to choose gadgets. I'm going to choose gadgets. Here you will have some details like the primary color. You can choose one in here, the secondary color of the product. Then comes the renewal options. So if you want to choose an automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents each time, or if you want to choose the manual one. So I'm going to choose the manual, which is free. Then you have the type of the product, if it's a physical or a digital product. So let's go with physical. Then comes the description. So guys, if you want to write a good description for the product, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say, shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then you have the production partners. If you have any, you can add them in this field, add their settings or add their details. Then you have these 3 other details: the section, tags, and materials, and the 3 of them are optional, so I'm just going to leave them for later. Then we have the inventory and pricing. So here, make sure to give it a fair price for you and for your clients as well. Then if you want to turn on the domestic and global pricing, where you can choose a price for your country and another price for everywhere else. Then here you fill the quantity field. Then if you want to personalize the product, you can do that in here. If not, just turn it off. Then you have the shipping field, where you have to fill all of these red fields, as I said in the beginning, from the original postal code down to the last business days that you have in here. And if you want to delete this shipping, the shipping to everywhere else, you can just click on this delete button. Then we move on to the returns and exchanges policy. So if you want to apply the 30 days policy, just click on it and it will be applied. Then click on save and continue. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.